Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Looker Studio for dashboarding, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Looker Studio. Hit the Enter key on your keyboard. You will be directed to the Looker Studio homepage. Locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button. A new window will pop up prompting you for your login information. Enter your email address associated with your Looker account. Click on the Next button. You will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you've entered your password, click on the Sign In button. Wait a moment as Looker Studio verifies your credentials. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to your Looker Studio dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available options. From there, you can start creating or accessing existing dashboards. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and try again. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. Explore the various features Looker Studio offers for an enhanced dashboarding experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.